So the experience of shooting in live locations cannot be matched. There is a certain magic when you go to a place where the film is supposed to be set in.
We started with hunting of the real locations, like from Google to Instagram to everywhere, all kind of possible options. कि डोंगरी अगर possible नहीं हुआ तो डोंगरी का backup location क्या होगा?
Dongri, Nagpada as an area was the most challenging. We were going into a space that is probably one of the most populated parts of Bombay.
It was madness, in one line. Even to think of shooting there. But yeah, when you are consumed by making a film, passion overrides everything.
Dongri has its own characteristics. Completely different color palette, completely different architecture, a certain sense of realism that we wanted to bring in. We've not done any overt designs. The place itself had a lot to offer.
I remember Jay came up first and he looked at the place and he said, yeah, this is the most beautiful place. Let's light it up and shoot.
The world becomes believable when you're making characters and he lives in that area, if you're shooting among the same vicinity, the same locality, it makes you get into the skin of that character.
I think with Ajju, the interesting and the challenging part was to make him look like he belonged from Bindi Bazaar. That was very different from what we've done with him in any of his films.
When you put on those clothes and you go to that locality to shoot, and you absolutely fit in, so a lot of the RLA type language was going on. It feels great. I mean, you feel like you were born to be there.
I was scared when first I got to know we were shooting in Mohammad Ali Road, where galiyan hai choti si. Those galiyas were even more difficult because there's actual people, they're crowds, they're not actors. While Ajju is dancing, busy, I am just doing my tapori giri.
This is your first?
This is my first tapori song.
We shot a song down on the street there where all the people that you see in the balconies are actually people who live in that neighborhood who came out, and we gave them all these props to and they just had a blast.
People say there are crowd problems. I don't see that as a problem. I see that I'm getting 5,000 extras on the plate being served to me.
It worked. We rehearsed on the spot. Again, it was Ganesh Masterji. He knew what he was doing. He's done stuff like this before.
We were very lucky that people were exceedingly hospitable.
We have selected locations which are kind of real locations, but we have setups in the real locations. For example, gym. Gym was situated on top of a terrace, which is a real location, but it was not a gym, it was somebody's private terrace.
And I said, no, we'll not. We'll not get into an AC floor. We'll shoot in a 10 by 10 room with everything thrown in it.
There was an abandoned house in Chor Bazaar in Madanpura. So we took up that place and we transformed that into Ajju's house.
Madhu Smita, who's into art, she would put small things, that I never thought that prop would make such a huge difference.
Set would have not been able to give us angles that we shot going so spontaneous and suddenly dropping the camera low or going onto a 3-floor height and shooting it down.
How he lights up these locations and how he fits the camera in, how he moves it around is a miracle in itself.
Jay, personally to me, was very helpful, keeping the camera really fluid. We could easily move around without having to think too much about where the camera is. The camera will catch us.
Pranav Shukla, who's our sound designer, needed to figure out how to capture live sound on a sweaty body that was punching, boxing, without having the shuffle and the textures that come in the way.
It's a nightmare for production again. Obviously, they all work towards it knowing this is what is best for the film.
We had planned the shoot for some 86 days and we ended up in some 76 days, saving 10 days. The actual hard work of Yatharth, the first AD, definitely Saurabh, the line producer, Stuti, the executive producer, they made it happen.
There is a synergy between all the departments, be it our production designer, be it Jay, be it hair, makeup, wardrobe. Everyone's work eventually comes together and makes the film. So it made the experience very memorable for all of us.